Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up FENVi AX1500 Wi-Fi Extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, plug the FENVi AX1500 into a wall socket near your router. Wait for the extender to boot. The power LED should become steady. Refer to the extender's quick start for exact LED behavior. If it has a reset hole, ignore it for now. Identify the router's WPS button. It may be labeled WPS, show 2 arrows, or be a small physical button. Press the router's WPS button once. Many routers light a WPS LED or flash it while waiting for the pairing device. The router is now ready to accept a WPS connection. Within about 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS, press the WPS button on the FENVi AX1500 extender. Some extenders require you to press and hold for 1 to 3 seconds, others require a single short press. If the LED doesn't react, press and hold for 1 to 2 seconds and try again. The extender's WPS LED should start blinking. This indicates it's trying to pair. The extender will automatically connect to your router's network. When the WPS LED or signal LED turns solid, usually green or blue, the connection is successful. Unplug the extender and move it to a location halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi signal. Plug it into a power socket and wait for the LED indicators to stabilize. Find the extended network name on your phone or laptop. It may have the same name as your router or end with _ext. Use the same Wi-Fi password as your router to connect. Test internet to confirm it's working properly. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.